the next video you can't afford to miss. This video is divided into 3 sections. Section 1, we'll talk on the introduction to wave, heat, and Laplace equation. So section 1, introduction. Section 2, I'll give you guys the methods of solving heat, wave, and Laplace equation. So method for solving, section 2. And last but not the least, we'll solve 3 examples and get the fruits. So that is a working example. So section 3, working example. So make sure you watch the video to the end so you won't miss out on any of this section. Let's get to the video. So we have the square x over the x square equals to, instead of 1 over c squared, let's become what? C squared kx. Now let's take this to the other side to make it homogeneous. Meaning that we have the square x over the x squared equals to minus c squared kx equals to 0. We have this. Now let's simplify it. We will simplify this other one. Let's do it slowly. X is equal to what? Exponent mx. So let x equals to exponent mx. We have the square x over the x square, so we'll find x and x prime prime. So distribute the same thing for, no, this means m equals to plus root k and minus root k. You cannot give it for the same thing as m equals to 2 and 3 or 4 and 1. These are real and distinct numbers. So for special roots like this means m squared equals to 9.